welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and informative video for you. We'll be exploring the world of cancer-fighting foods. That's right, foods that can help starve cancer. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's dive in. The power of nutrition in fighting cancer. Did you know that our diet plays a significant role in our overall health, including cancer prevention? Researchers have discovered that certain foods possess cancer-fighting properties. By incorporating them into our daily meals, we can enhance our body's ability to fight cancer cells. So, let's explore these amazing foods. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, are rich in antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds. These nutrients stimulate the body's natural detoxification processes and help neutralize carcinogens that can lead to cancer formation. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, particularly flavonoids. These compounds can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to cancer development. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are nutritional powerhouses. They contain chlorophyll, which has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, these greens are rich in fiber and various vitamins that support a healthy immune system. Garlic and onions. Garlic and onions are not only flavorful additions to your meals but also potent cancer fighters. They contain sulfur compounds, like allicin, which have anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that these compounds can help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. Turmeric, the golden spice commonly found in curry dishes, contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which make it a valuable addition to any cancer-fighting diet. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its cancer-fighting abilities. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including prostate cancer. Green tea is rich in catechins, a type of polyphenol with strong antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that green tea consumption may help inhibit tumor growth and reduce the risk of several types of cancer. Nuts and seeds are great sources of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Some varieties, like flax seeds and walnuts, contain omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which have been associated with cancer prevention. And there you have it, a list of cancer-fighting foods that can help you maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Remember, no single food can guarantee the prevention of cancer, but incorporating these foods into your meals can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. As always, we encourage you to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.